Hey everybody, real simple hack my dad taught me decades ago on how to tell whether or not it is your battery that's going bad or your alternator that's going bad. It's super easy. This is a test that you can do without using a voltmeter or whatever that testing electrical equipment is. So you just get in your vehicle. I'm going to switch the camera around. No, I'm not. Turn your vehicle on. Open up your hood. Then what you're going to do is disconnect your negative battery cable. If the vehicle stops, okay, if you have a dead battery, for starters, jump it. Jump your car, okay? Secondly, start it once it's running. Disconnect the negative battery cable. If the vehicle stops running, it's your alternator that's bad. If it keeps running, it's your battery that's going bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you real quick. Bear with me for a second. Hope you can see that okay. I've got a bad alternator. So that's how you do it. Thank you very much. Bye.